Welcome to 574 Rougemount Drive, a magnificent custom-built home situated within the prestigious Rosebank community of West Pickering. A brick and stone exterior, as well as a stately portico and front entry door, offer a befitting invitation into this architecturally stunning masterpiece. The grand porcelain-tiled entrance foyer is illuminated by a chandelier and recessed lighting in its coffered ceiling. And throughout this home are superb appointments including plaster crown moldings, upgraded trims and baseboards, hardwood or porcelain-tiled floors, as well as exquisite chandeliers and contemporary light fixtures. The combined formal living and dining rooms both feature tray ceilings, while the dining room ceiling is graced with elegant rounded corners accentuated by an interior coffered oval and chandelier. 10-foot ceilings with pot lighting are showcased throughout the main level. And off the main hallway is a large double coat closet, the beautifully finished convenience of a mudroom with garage access and amazing storage space, a well-appointed powder room, hardwood staircases with wrought iron spindles to the upper and lower levels, and a private home office with an opaque glass-paneled entry door, waffled ceiling, trimmed walls, as well as built-in shelves and cabinets. The light-washed family room is warmed by a gas fireplace surrounded by a stacked stone facade with a media niche, which is framed with built-in cabinetry complete with glass-paneled upper doors and accent lighting, while highlighting this space is an impressive waffled ceiling. The family room is open to an incredibly spacious breakfast area and custom gourmet kitchen, with this superb workspace showcasing a center island with breakfast seating, cabinetry with glass-paneled accent uppers as well as interior and valance lighting, quartz countertops with a marble backsplash tiled in a herringbone design, and a stainless steel double undermount sink as well as top-quality high-end appliances. The garden door walkout opens onto a large concrete deck with railing and which overlooks a premium-sized, fully fenced backyard. With many of the same appointments, as well as a walk-in pantry, built-in wine racks, and a wine fridge, the butler servery has direct and convenient access to the formal dining room. And this level's wonderful ease of flow, generously sized principal rooms, and superbly functional workspaces makes this an entertainer's dream home. This home showcases an unspoiled lower level with 9-foot ceilings and amazing potential for 2 separate living spaces, one with a walk-up to the backyard, and also features exterior pot lighting as well as a 2-car garage and driveway parking for up to 6 vehicles. Beautiful sconce lighting, as well as a skylight, brightens the upper level staircase and landing, and this level features 9-foot ceilings, 4 stunning bedrooms, all with large walk-in closets and well-appointed ensuite washrooms, and a convenient laundry room with built-in cabinetry, a quartz counter with stainless steel sink, as well as a front-load washer and dryer. The 4th bedroom features an oversized east-facing window with a bench seat and a raised ceiling above its arched transom, while its ensuite washroom is finished with porcelain-tiled accent walls and a frameless glass shower. And all the washrooms on this level feature vanities with quartz counters, undermount basins, as well as contemporary plumbing and light fixtures. The 3rd bedroom also has a raised ceiling above its window's arched transom, and its ensuite washroom features a porcelain-tiled shower with marble accents, a bench seat, and a glass door. The 2nd bedroom is an ideal guest suite and showcases a deep tray ceiling, a built-in desk with floating shelves, a stunning 5-piece ensuite with his and her basins in the wall-to-wall vanity, as well as a water closet with a porcelain-tiled bath area, and an exceptionally sized walk-in closet. The magnificent master suite is warmed by a gas fireplace and showcases a beautifully trimmed tray ceiling, a huge walk-in closet and dressing room with a full wall of organizers, and is luxuriously complete with a spa-like ensuite washroom with a custom wall-to-wall his and her vanity, a freestanding tub, and a spectacular porcelain-tiled glass shower with marble-tiled accents, as well as rain and handheld showers. Situated within an upscale neighborhood and just a short walk to the Montessori Blaisdell School, Petticoat Creek Conservation Area and Rouge National Urban Park are also within walking distance or a short bike ride away, and a wide array of outdoor activities can be enjoyed in both of these superb green spaces. The Steeple Hill Shopping Centre and Pickering Town Centre are short drives away, as are many other amenities including places of worship, the Rouge Hill and Pickering GO stations, as well as access to Highway 401.